Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use a custom background image for your Zoom meetings in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that example Zoom meeting here, and I added this channel's logo as the background temporarily to that Zoom meeting. So let me show how I did it and how you can do that with your own custom images if you like to use them instead of the background images from the Zoom library. So what you will need to do here in your Zoom meeting is click into that arrow icon next to the video settings, and here set or navigate to adjust background and effects here. So here we see the virtual backgrounds for your meeting. As you can see, that's the current one here what I'm using. So you can go with none, or with a blurred background, or as previously mentioned, with one of the backgrounds from the Zoom library. You may also use a green screen. If you'd like to add a custom one, simply click into that plus button here and select either add image or video. I will go with a still image. And after that, locate the file on your device in JPEG or PNG file format. It will be then added to your library so that you may select it. If you'd like to remove it, simply click into that small X icon here and delete it, and I will switch back to none here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.